Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you guys some Ramadan prep that my sister and I did the night before the first day of Ramadan. And by the way, for those that are celebrating Ramadan Kareem, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed month, inshallah, and I hope you guys really enjoy this Ramadan. I know it's going to be a little bit different with everything going on, but I hope you guys still make the best of it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this zucchini bread that my sister makes, and it's always such a big hit. Everyone loves it so much. It tastes so good. It's super healthy and you're getting veggies in. So I feel like it's really important for us during Ramadan to still take care of our bodies. Of course, it's important to still indulge and enjoy all those rich foods that we love. But I think it's also important to make sure you're nourishing your body so that you can get through Ramadan in a healthy manner. So I thought I would share this with you guys. We did have inspiration from a recipe that we found online, and I will link that down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you guys want to see more Ramadan vlogs, then just let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also I want to quickly mention that the quality of the video, it might not be the best, and I want to apologize for that. It might be a little bit dark, and that's just because it was pretty late at night when we started this process. It was kind of a last minute decision to make this for Ramadan, as part of our Ramadan meal for sahur. So yeah, just please don't mind the lighting, but I really hope you guys enjoy it, and do try out the recipe yourself. It's really tasty. You do not taste the zucchini at all. It's kind of like putting spinach in a smoothie where you don't really taste the spinach, but you know you're eating it, and it's good for you, so you feel kind of happy and proud of yourself. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So to start, you're going to be needing some oil. I'm using avocado oil. You're going to need some honey to sweeten the bread. You're going to need 2 eggs, as well as some baking powder. Also, you will need some ground cinnamon, as well as some vanilla extract for nice flavor. You'll need some salt, as well as some nutmeg. Got some right here, and you'll also need about half of a zucchini, so I've got 1 zucchini here, and also you'll need some whole wheat flour. Now in terms of tools, you'll need a loaf pan as well as a liquid measuring cup for any liquids. You'll need measuring spoons and cups, whatever you have around the house. This is just what I happen to have. You'll need a grater to grate the zucchini, as well as a big mixing bowl. So in the big mixing bowl, I'm starting off by putting a 1/3 cup of avocado oil. Well, actually, it's my sister. I'm filming her because we made this together. So she's putting that into the bowl. And after that, she's going to go ahead and put half a cup of honey for sweetener. This recipe does have no sugar, so this is what's going to make the bread very nice and sweet. So once she's done scraping down all of the honey, she's going to go ahead in with her mixer and mix this up for just about 30 seconds. So once she's done with that, she's going to go ahead in and add the 2 eggs, and she's going to go ahead in and mix those into the mixture as well. So once that's all nice and mixed up, we're going to go ahead in and add some water. We're adding half a cup of water. And then we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're also going to be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and we're also going to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we're going to go ahead in and mix all of this up with the mixer. So at this point, we realized we forgot to add salt, so we went ahead in and added half a teaspoon of salt, and then we went back in with the mixer and mixed this guy up. Alright, so now for the zucchini, what my sister is doing is she's just cutting off the edge of the zucchini, and now she's taking a cheese grater and she's just grating the zucchini, and she has about a cup and a half. That's how much you need for this mixture. So she's just using a measuring cup here to make sure that we have the right amount of zucchini and to make sure that we didn't grate too much or grate too less. So that's just what she's doing here. Trust me, you guys are going to love this recipe so much. It tastes really, really good, and you're going to sneak in veggies during Ramadan without even realizing. So we're on the last step right now. We're just adding in some flour. We're adding 1 cup and 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour. So now for the pan, we actually ran out of parchment paper, and quarantine things, we're not going to go out and buy some right now. So we're doing some DIY. What we're going to do right here is we're taking 2 blank pieces of paper and we're folding them into the pan. And then what we're doing is we're taking just some spray oil and we're spraying the entire thing down to make sure it's nice and greased up for the batter. And now my sister's just going ahead and she's pouring the batter into the tray, and she's going to be cooking this at 325 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes. And just to be a little extra, once my sister's done putting all the batter into the tray, what she's doing is she's going to be sprinkling some cinnamon on top, and then she's going to take a toothpick and she's going to create some subtle designs at the top, so that once it bakes and it comes out of the oven, there's going to be very pretty designs at the top. So once the cake is out of the oven and you let it cool for a bit, it should look something like this. You guys, trust me when I say this cake is so good. I keep saying cake, but it's technically zucchini bread. I mean, I guess it's interchangeable, but it's very, very delicious. Honestly, it tastes like cinnamon cake. That's how my little brother describes it, and that's honestly like the best way I could describe it too. So yeah, this is essentially what it looks like. You see the zucchini, but trust me, you won't taste it at all. And of course, if you're watching your calories, maybe you can have half a slice, and it's still a pretty decent amount, and it's very, very tasty. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want me to do videos like this where I share healthy recipes with you guys, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and again, I hope you guys have an amazing Ramadan, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.